Hey Tax Nitro fam, real quick, we are going to show you exactly how to increase your retention with your current client list by sending out a birthday campaign. Now, we're going to automate this so you will never have to touch it. You'll never have to do anything manual on the person's birthday. It'll just fire off on their birthday. So two things we're going to need. We're going to need a list of birthdays to put in Tax Nitro. So if you have a teenager or if you have a data entry person at your company, have them go in and put people's birthdays into their contacts. A lot of you have their birthdays already, you just don't know it. It's in your tax software or it's in your QuickBooks, right? You have that information somewhere. I'm going to give you one quick strategy on how to collect emails very easily, or not emails, how to collect birthdays very easily. But first, let me show you where to go just to add it manually if you want to go that route. So you're going to click on the contact. So I have the Hulk here, biggreenguy@gmail.com. And this person already has a birthday, so I wouldn't need to set it up. But maybe I'm checking it. Maybe they were born on November 18th instead of 17th. You can update that there. You can hit save. Once their birthday's set, you can go to the next person on the list. And let's say here we got Carl Testerson. We can see the birth date is blank here. So I would click on the birthday. I would look them up in my system. I would scroll back to when they were born, 1999, August 11th, and hit save. Now that that is set, I can go and set up my birthday campaign. Now, before we do that, let me give you a quick strategy on how to collect birthdays without breaking the bank, right? So if you have a list of contacts like I do, but there's a bunch of blank birthdays in here, a quick strategy is to set up a form where you're going to build a form to ask them for their birthday in exchange for entering a raffle. Now, a great thing to raffle off is like Apple AirPods or like Bluetooth headphones, right? Some Beats by Dre, if that's still cool. I don't know. But raffle off something that you can give away, you can mail to someone. And then you can go add form here. And all you have to do is get their first name, last name, just their email. You don't need their phone. And then we're going to add in their date of birth and then a button. So what this will do is it'll allow you to ask for their birthday, right? So you can say enter the raffle. And you can dress this form up a little better than I can, but essentially what you'll do is you will mass email all your contacts and say, hey, we're doing a quick raffle. All we need is your first name, last name, email, and birthday to win. You do need to be, make it up. Say, hey, you have to be 18 or older to enter. We just need your birthday for that information. And then we're going to give away, and then tell them what you're giving away. You could be like, we're giving away a pair of Apple AirPods. And you might say, Tamer, Apple AirPods are like $200-$300. Well, if you even get one or two people to stick with you an extra year, there's your money back already, right? If you charge $200 or $300 for a tax preparation, you just made your money back. So that's the idea, guys. And if you're not doing tax prep, maybe you have a different business, insurance, notary, bookkeeping. I'm sure you guys charge some amount of money where this would be worth it to do a giveaway if you had some kind of loyalty to that person, which is what we're trying to do with the birthday campaign. All right, you guys, now that quick strategy is over, let's go into how to actually send the birthday campaign. So a lot of you guys are going to have a birthday campaign somewhere in your system already. You can work off of that, or you can delete that one. So you might have a campaign in here. You can just come in here and search for a birthday campaign and delete it if you have one. So I have one right here, birthday campaign. You can turn it to draft, or you can just click the three dots and delete. Make sure you only have one birthday campaign in your system. We're going to build this in workflows. Now, the reason I'm building it in workflows is because it's crazy easy. We're going to do this in less than 2 minutes here. So we're going to create workflow, start from scratch. Now, check out how easy this is. We're just going to name this our birthday workflow or our birthday campaign, whatever you want to call it. We're going to add a workflow trigger. The workflow trigger, you can just type in birthday, and that's a birthday reminder. And this is going to automatically run at 8 a.m. daily. So you don't need to touch anything, right? It's just going to search for birthdays. It's going to say, oh, today is, June 14th, 2023. is anyone birthdays today? If so, what do you want to do? Well, my first action is going to be send an email. Say subject, happy birthday from, and then put your company name here. So I'm going to put like Tamer's Tax Office. And then from here, you can just put, happy birthday, custom values, contact, first name. Right? Boom. Super duper easy. If you want to, you can add a picture in here. If you want to, you can give them something on their birthday. Give them a cool, like, free appointment or free assessment, something like that. I don't know. Don't be pushy though. Just wish them a happy birthday. Remember, guys, the goal here is to increase their loyalty, not feel salesy on their birthday. So we have an email. What else can we send them? We could send them a text message as well. Say, hey, contact first name, just wanted to wish you a happy birthday from, and then put your tax office name again, Tamer's Tax Office. Boom. You are good to go, guys. From here, go to settings, set it to a specific time because we don't want to text people at 8 a.m. on their birthday. We want to go specific time. You're going to click all the days on so that they're blue. And then we're going to set this to let's do 10:30 a.m. and maybe stop it at 6 p.m. Just check your AMs and PMs here. You can change your time zone to contact just in case you have people in different time zones. If you're an East Coast office, 10:30 a.m. for a West Coast client is going to be 7:30 a.m. That defeats the purpose, right? We don't want to piss our clients off. From here, guys, set your sender address, put from name and from email in here. You're going to do allow multiple so that this fires off every year on their birthday. And then auto mark as read will keep your unread inbox clear inside of Tax Nitro. Once you guys are done, hit publish up in the top right. Go back to actions and just proofread your email and text one more time and hit save. Now, guys, there's a couple things you can do that's fancy from here. Like if I wanted to maybe message them the day after their birthday, and I could add a filter here and I could do after number of days or before number of days, right? So one little thing here is I could do one day after their actual birthday. That way, in your email, I would say, hey, I didn't want to bother you on your birthday, but happy birthday or happy belated birthday. Here's that free thing. Want to just check in, make sure your tax situation's good or whatever, right? Or just wish them a happy birthday. You don't have to give them anything. So you could do after number of days. You could also do before number of days if you wanted to. So you could delete this filter and do before number of days. You could do the day before their birthday. Just say, hey, I know tomorrow's your birthday. I wanted to wish you a happy birthday. I know you're going to be crazy busy tomorrow, but thanks for being loyal, or thanks for being an awesome customer of, and then put your tax office name. So you could do day before, day after, just kind of depends on your strategy here. But make sure you save your workflow, and then let's give you a special strategy on how to test it. So go to your contacts and add yourself in as a contact. And I'm actually just gonna go to, team at Tax Nitro. So this is my little test contact here. And put in your email and phone number, and then set your birthday for tomorrow. So if today is June 14th, I'm gonna set it to June 15th of this year, and then hit save or just let it save. And then tomorrow, come into your Tax Nitro and make sure you got a text message from yourself that says hey, happy birthday, right? Make sure it looks correct, make sure it feels correct, and then go in and update everybody's birthdays. Alrighty, guys, that was a quick birthday explainer on the birthday campaign. Again, just to recap, you need to put their birthdays on their contacts, create the workflow so that it automatically runs without you ever having to touch anything. Remember, you are never going to put someone in the campaign. If you do, it's going to run on that day, which is not their birthday. The other things, guys, are figure out if you want to send it before or after their birthday. And the last thing we did is make sure you test this on yourself. So make sure it actually works the way you want it to work. It does it the day before or the day after. Set your birthday to the correct date so that it fires off and you can test it. Alrighty, guys, have a great day and enjoy the next video.